Hey guys, what's going on? So, cool little piece of welding gear here. If you guys have never seen something like this, it's like an all leather cowhide welding hood with your 2x4 flip up lenses and clear glass, a shade 10 in there. This is a Jackson, made by Jackson. These are usually for like if you're welding in a tight spot, so you can kind of get your head up maybe in a corner or behind maybe like a pipe or something like that. You know, somewhere where maybe you can't fit a traditional welding hood because they're like hard plastic and you're kind of limited. They take up a lot of space like around your head. So this is really good for tight spaces. These are pretty cool, pretty unique piece of welding gear. And the Jackson This Jackson all-leather welding hood is really comfortable. It fits around your head pretty much perfect. It's really comfortable. Like, it's not gonna be, the lens isn't falling in front of your nose and stuff like that, so you can actually see. You put this on and it fits well. It fits well. So I haven't used this, but I'm sure one of these days there will be a need, and I look forward to it. So yeah, guys, the Jackson all-leather welding hood, I would recommend totally if, you know, you have a tight weld, hard to get to, hard to get at. This is a good piece of gear to have, and you might not always need it, but when you do, it will be really helpful. So, highly recommend. Jackson brand. It's made of this thick leather. It will stop those sparks from burning you. So, quality piece of gear here, guys. Quality Jackson all-leather welding hood. You know, as a matter of fact, sometimes I like to just sit here for like several hours and just wear it in the dark, meditate, and really just kind of think about life, you know? So if you guys don't mind, I will see you guys on the next video.